Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to in one click uploads of photos from Unsplash, Pixabay and Pixels directly to your WordPress media library. So search this plugin Instant Images, one click Unsplash, Pixabay and Pixels uploads. So search and remember this icon, install and activate. So guys, if you need copyright free images for your WordPress website, so this is a very useful and easy to use plugin. You can add some images in your WordPress just in few clicks. So search and activate this plugin. This is a good number of active installation and good number of high ranking review. So use this plugin and share your experience with this plugin. Hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Support my channel by subscribing my channel.